How to find your T-Mobile cellular QR code. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your T-Mobile cellular QR code, whether you need it for eSIM activation on a new phone or tablet. If you've got a new device and need to activate your T-Mobile service, finding the cellular QR code is essential, but it's often hidden in the app or behind account settings. Many people get stuck because they can't locate it in the right menu or don't know where to generate it. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to locate or generate your T-Mobile QR code so you can quickly set up your eSIM without any hassle. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app or website. Open the T-Mobile app on your phone or go to my.tmobile.com in a web browser. Make sure you're logged in as the primary account holder. Step 2. Go to the Lines section. Tap Account at the bottom of the app, then select Lines and Devices. This shows all your active lines on your T-Mobile account. Step 3. Select the line you want to use with eSIM. Tap the line you want to use with eSIM. Here you'll see options for device settings and eSIM activation. Select Activate eSIM or Get QR Code. The app or website will display a QR code that you can scan on your new device to set up your line without any hassle. If you don't see it, try refreshing the app, logging out and back in, or switching to the T-Mobile website. The QR code option usually appears after syncing. Step 5. Scan the QR code on your device. Open your new phone's eSIM setup menu and scan the QR code. Follow on-screen prompts to complete activation. Your service should be ready within minutes. And that's it. You now know how to find your T-Mobile cellular QR code for eSIM activation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick carrier guides.